Welcome to the Population Genetics Simulation from Biology Simulations. You will be looking at the evolution and change of the change in allele frequency for these small creatures down here in the box. Their allele frequencies will be reflected on the graph above them. On the left-hand side, you will see different parameters that can be changed. For this lab, you will only be using the simulation starting information. Both the natural selection settings and the mutation selections should not be changed. Verify the natural selections are all set to 1 and the mutation settings should be at 0. There will be no selection and no mutation in today's activity. Your generation number should be set to 40, and then you will change your population size and red allele starting frequency based on the lab instructions. You are only provided with a setting for the red allele frequency. This is because there are only two alleles for this trait, red or blue. That means that when you adjust the red allele frequency, such as here to 0.2, the blue allele frequency is 0.8. If you adjust the red frequency to 0.5, then the blue frequency is also 0.5. The frequency total is 1. So subtract 1 minus your red allele frequency, and that will give you the frequency of the blue allele. Notice that this is a trait that expresses incomplete dominance. We have red individuals, blue individuals, and purple individuals. The purple individuals are heterozygous for the trait, carrying both one red allele and one blue allele. Here in the graph, you will also find that you have information for the allele frequencies as well as the phenotypes. We will not be using the phenotypes in today's lab, only the allele frequencies. In order to tell what the allele frequency is at the end of a run, you will hover your mouse over the end and you will be given the allele frequencies for the blue allele, the red allele, as well as the phenotypes. Please notice that these do give you up to 4 decimal places. Please round to 2 decimal places to the hundredth place. So 0.5786 should be rounded to 0.58. You'll be asked to run each simulation 3 times. To do that, simply press the Run Simulation button. Allow the 40 generations of the little creatures to pass, and once everything has stopped moving, you can collect your data for that run. To do a second run, simply press Run Simulation again, and when the simulation is complete, you can again collect your data by hovering at the end of the lines on the graph.